Money doesn't behave logically, it behaves psychologically. Have you ever wondered why two people with the same income end up in completely different financial situations? One becomes financially free, and the other drowns in debt. The difference isn't knowledge, it's behavior. Today, we'll explore the powerful lessons from The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, a book that reveals how our mindset, emotions, and choices shape our financial destiny. Morgan Housel is an award-winning financial writer and a partner at the Collaborative Fund. Before that, he wrote for The Motley Fool and The Wall Street Journal, where he became known for explaining complex financial ideas through simple human stories. In The Psychology of Money, he doesn't teach how to make money. He teaches how to think about money, and that's the real secret most people miss. Lesson 1. Luck and Risk. The first lesson. Luck and risk are two sides of the same coin. Success isn't always about hard work alone. Sometimes it's about being in the right place at the right time. For example, Bill Gates went to one of the few high schools in the world that had a computer in the 1970s. That was luck. But for every Bill Gates, there's also a Kent Evans, his friend who was just as smart and motivated but died in a tragic accident before he could make an impact. So never judge your success, or someone else's, without recognizing the roles of luck and risk. Lesson 2. Saving is freedom. The second lesson. Money's greatest value is freedom. Saving isn't about buying luxury. It's about buying control over your time. Every dollar you save gives you the freedom to say no. No to bad jobs, no to toxic people, and no to things that don't bring you peace. As Housel says, the highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, I can do whatever I want today. Lesson 3. Behavior. Knowledge. The third lesson. Financial success is not a hard science. It's a soft skill. It depends far more on your behavior than your intelligence. You don't need to be a genius to get rich. You need patience, discipline, and emotional control. Because the stock market rewards not the smartest people, but the calmest ones. Lesson 4. Never underestimate compounding. The fourth lesson. Compounding is magic, but only if you respect time. Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after the age of 50. Why? Because he started investing early and let time do the heavy lifting. The secret isn't high returns. It's consistent returns over a long period. As Housel puts it, good investing isn't about making big gains. It's about never interrupting compounding unnecessarily. Lesson 5. Wealth is what you don't see. The fifth lesson. Rich is visible. Wealth is invisible. That fancy car, that huge house, that's not always a sign of wealth. True wealth is the money you don't spend. It's the financial safety, the peace of mind, and the quiet confidence of knowing you can handle whatever comes next. Lesson 6. Enough is the ultimate goal. The final and perhaps most important lesson. Knowing what enough means. Most financial disasters happen when people chase more. More money, more fame, more status. The problem is, more has no finish line. Learning to say this is enough is what separates the truly wealthy from the endlessly restless. So, what is the psychology of money really teaching us? That wealth is not built in your wallet. It's built in your mindset. It's not about how smart you are, but how calm you can stay when the world goes crazy. Remember, save for freedom, invest with patience, and never compare your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20. If this summary inspired you, hit subscribe and join us here on Power of 7, where we explore the world's best books, one idea at a time. Until next time, think rich, live simply, and stay powerful.